everyone, this is Jenny from Jenny's DIY Studio, and today I'm going to show you how to do this tiny and beautiful and cute stitch marker. This one is for knitting, but you can also change it for crochet. See, this one is the one that opens. So this one I found it on Michael's. You can find this type of loops on any craft store. Now for the heart, I already made a video that is gonna be about a necklace, and you will follow the same tutorial because the step of doing this part is gonna be the necklace. Okay, so you will need this part. The link is on my description, and also on this side there's always like a letter I with more videos that I always link with each other. So for this stitch marker, you will need to follow the video of the necklace and then come here if you haven't done your hearts first. Okay, and on that one also there's a link for the heart. The heart that I'm using here is smaller because I use a smaller yarn, but if you want a bigger heart, you can use bigger yarn like I did for this one. So this one can also be a stitch marker, but I will say, like, for the bigger yarns that are used now that the hooks are really big, you will need like a big marker for this one, like kind of this big. So like this side of heart will be super great for that kind of knitting or crocheting that is using big yarns. But mostly what I do, I can work with the smaller versions of stitch markers. Okay, so what you're gonna do after you have your heart done, let me pull off this on the side. So you grab whatever, if it's this or this, let me show you with this one. And what I did, I just like passed the yarn through and just tie it. Like if I want it like this long, I just make some knots and that's it. It's not that hard. Okay, so this is what I did. Just a knot there. And I keep doing knots until I see this one kind of went down. Okay, so for this one I just keep on doing knots. I think if you love macrame, you can do different designs here with the yarn, but I just kept on doing the knots here, and as you see it starts like filling up, and then I hide it on the end. Okay, so I keep on going doing the same one. And again. And you can see the loops. See? And everything will depend on what you like. Like for me, this one is really okay. So what I do, I just cut it here and pass it through all of those loops to hide the tail. Okay, so let me do that so that you can see. So I'm gonna grab my needle and pass through my yarn. Okay, this is a tricky part. And with my needle, I just pass it through the inside to hide it. There it is. That's what I do. I just pass it again and you hide the yarn. And since it's already fastened and here is hidden, I just cut the tail. Here are my scissors. There it is. Just being careful not to cut other stuff. And here is another one. See, this one is long. I like kind of like these. See, this one is long, but you can put more beads or whatever you want. And the other one that I have over here, see, this one is smaller. This one I did the knots until the end. Okay, hope this video helps you get an idea how to do stitch markers that are easy, and it has also your yarn in it. And remember to hit the subscribe button on the YouTube channel. Hit the little bell so that next time that I put a new video you can get a notification. And remember to share. Oh, and leave a comment below with any other ideas that you would like to see. Okay, share the love, share also on the comments any questions, so that I'm here to help. Thanks you all for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.